Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best bulk Halloween toy set on the market, the Olganicor 400 PC's Halloween Party Favors for Kids. If you're planning a Halloween party, classroom event, or just want to stock up on fun goodies for trick-or-treaters, this set might just be what you're looking for. Right off the bat, this set offers an impressive collection of over 35 different types of toys and party favors, all designed to bring a burst of color and excitement to any Halloween celebration. With 400 pieces in total, it's perfect for handing out as trick-or-treat giveaways, filling goodie bags, or using as prizes in classroom games and Halloween-themed events. One standout feature of this set is the variety. The assortment includes toys made from a mix of materials such as plastic, metal, paper, fabric, and rubber or foam. This variety not only keeps kids entertained with different textures and types of toys but also adds a tactile and visual appeal that keeps the excitement alive. Whether it's mini puzzles, spooky-themed trinkets, or fun novelty items, there's something for every kid to enjoy. Another important aspect is the focus on safe, high-quality materials. These toys are durable and child-safe, making them a reliable choice for parents, teachers, and party organizers. They're designed to withstand the enthusiastic hands of children, so you don't have to worry about them breaking easily or causing any safety concerns. Beyond just fun, these toys have an entertaining and developmental value too. They help engage children's imaginations and creativity, offering a playful way to reduce stress and boredom. In fact, these toys are especially great for kids who benefit from sensory engagement and tactile play, including those with ADHD or autism. This makes the set not only a source of amusement but also a helpful tool for concentration and calming. Versatility is another big plus. Whether you want to fill party favor bags, create treasure boxes for classroom rewards, or host a Halloween carnival with prizes, this collection has you covered. It's suitable for a wide range of occasions beyond Halloween too. Think birthday parties, school events, and even carnival prizes throughout the year. In terms of size and weight, the whole package is compact enough to store easily but substantial enough to cover a large number of kids. It weighs just over 2 pounds and measures roughly 10 by 2 by 3 inches, making it manageable for storage and transport. To sum it up, the Olganicor 400 PC's Halloween Party Favors set offers a rich mix of toys that blend fun, safety, and creativity. Its bulk quantity and variety make it an excellent choice for anyone wanting to create a memorable and entertaining Halloween experience for children. If you're looking for a reliable, safe, and versatile Halloween party favor pack, this product definitely deserves your attention. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want more honest and thorough product insights, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Have a spooky and fun Halloween.